Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and it is funny. Yesterday was 96 degrees, and today it is 62 degrees. We had a cool front come in, but we're installing a system for a homeowner, and right behind me is a new system. There on that side is the outdoor unit condenser. That is the air handler, and that up there is the heat kit where the unit's going to go. It goes inside there for the heating. Okay, and 512-448-0532. You also can find us on the web at www.abcaustin.com. Call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs. Also in the surrounding cities. Okay, all right guys, see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.